everybody, welcome back to Sammy Joe Did You Know? This week's tech tip is something that will help you in Excel as well as Google Sheets. How many of you are still using the hide and unhide function for your rows or columns when you're sorting through any of your data? There's actually a quicker way to do that, as well as one that will open up so that other people can see what you have hidden and then they can toggle between them. Super easy to do. You're just going to highlight either the column or the rows that you want to hide. Once you do that, you're going to press Control, Alt, and the right arrow. It's going to give you a little line that you guys can open or close that other people will be able to work in and see as well. In order to unhide those, you're just going to do it in reverse. You're going to highlight the rows or columns that you have hidden or you have the toggle on already. Then you're going to press the Shift Alt left key, and that removes the toggle for you. As always, like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next week for more Sammy Joe Did You Know?